Hey lovelies, how you all doing? Come in, let me show you how we made this delicious, moist and nutty banana bread. This recipe is so simple and you are going to love it.
Can't get enough.
So guys, what we'll need is some bananas. I bought these bananas and they were very ripe, so I just left it in the refrigerator. Reason is looking dark like so, but yeah, it's still very fresh and you will see how it looks in the inside. Yeah, I have some walnuts already crushed, I have some almond nuts crushed, and I have some dehydrated coconut flakes. So these are the nuts I will be using. You can add more if you have more nuts, but yeah, these are what I have and I will be using those. So what you want to do is go ahead and peel your bananas and then mash it.
Temilayo and Mom, I wanna show you how it's done.
So now that banana is mashed, you want to go ahead and mix your wet ingredients right inside your banana mixture. And yes, I will be leaving all of the measurements and ingredients on the screen so you can screenshot or go ahead and just jot it down for when you are ready to make yours. Guys, I would love to know where you're watching me from so I can start giving you shout outs. So go ahead and leave it in the comment section. If you're watching me from Jos, Kaduna, Abuja, Lagos, anywhere in Nigeria or even outside Nigeria, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. From our next video, I'll be giving you a shout out, and yes, that will be something we should be doing once in a while or even at all times. So don't miss out. Go ahead and leave it in the comment section. I hope that's something you all will like. That way we can get to know each other even better. So go ahead and make this a thing. Leave it in the comment section. Next video, I'll be shouting out like I said, go ahead and mix up all your wet ingredients. For this recipe, guys, we are not using sugar, but we are substituting with honey, which is kind of an healthier option. And this recipe calls for, you can use all-purpose flour and you can use oat flour or even almond flour. For almond flour, you'll be needing 3 cups. Oat flour, you'll be needing 3 cups. But for all-purpose flour, you'll be needing just 2 cups. So all other ingredients remain the same. That's just the only thing that you can change if you want a more healthier option. So as you can see, we are not using sugar, we are using honey. Same thing you will be using when you are using other flour option.
She know how to season. She got all the flavors, make you fall in love. And now I can't get enough. She been with me for a while. She been my partner in crime. She taught me everything I know. She taught me everything I know. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Temilayo and Mom. Temilayo and Mom. I wanna show you how it's done. All the commercial recipes, show you how to make some fun when you're cooking in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen whipping, I be flipping, I be flipping. I'm in the kitchen whipping, I be flipping, I be flipping, I be flipping. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Temilayo and Mom.
bread or loaf is ready, guys. This was so good. You can see how beautiful it looks. Like I said, this is a nutty banana bread, and as you can see, it's really nutty. This is how it came out, everything looking perfect. It was really good. It was super moist. The taste, the honey, everything was so good in there. So I'm going to cut through so you can see what the inside looks like. You can see it's well cooked. How you know it's well cooked? Just dip in toothpick or a skewer, and when it comes out neat, it is cooked. You can see how neat my knife is. That's to tell you how cooked it is. Like, it's perfect. Go ahead and cut it in slices. Like, it's still very hot. I just brought it out from the oven. I couldn't wait to tear it open. So this is what it looks like. Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. It's perfect. It's a perfect recipe. Go ahead and give it a try. Make it for your family, your friends. You can just make this loaf as a gift to someone. If you have those banana that is already going bad, please don't throw it away. Make sure you make this delicious bread out of it. Everything is very simple. Like, all of the recipe is something you already have in your house. So go ahead and put this together and thank me in the comment section. This was so good, trust me. It smells amazing. It tastes really moist and good. So why not give it a try? Thank you so much for watching. And if you have watched up to this extent, you haven't subscribed, you haven't liked, you haven't comment, please show this video some love. Subscribe if you haven't. Click on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I have a new video. And yeah, have a blessed week. I pray this week bring you all that your heart desire, and have a wonderful month of June. Enjoy and have a blissful day.
Show you how to make some fun when you're cooking in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen whipping, I be flipping. I'm in the kitchen whipping, I be flipping. I be flipping. Welcome to my channel.